Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Inset Embossing Folder technique with the Floating and Fluttering bundle from Stampin' Up. So first I'm going to show you how I stamped the butterflies using the Floating and Fluttering bundle. This awesome bundle has this grouping of butterflies that you can cut out. There's 2 dies, so you can cut out more than one at the same time. And then there's these stamps that you can use to color in the butterflies, and then some detailed stamps that I'm going to show you how to use, as well as stamps to color in the leaves as well. And then there's this great label die too, and a butterfly die, an extra one. So many great dies. Okay, so I'm going to stamp this in Memento black ink first. And then to color in the butterflies, I'm going to use Daffodil Delight. And now I'm going to use these detailed stamps, and watch, they really add some nice color. Isn't that nice? Let me show you. And then we've got this one to add some detail to the large butterfly. And then this one to add some detail to this butterfly we see in profile. Right, now let's add some color to the leaves in Old Olive. Alright, and then you would take this and cut it out with the die and your Big Boss, aka the Stampin' die cutting and embossing machine, and you would do it twice. So stamp this twice and cut out 2 of each of these. And then we're also going to stamp in Old Olive Happy Birthday, and this is from the Happy Thoughts stamp set that's also in the mini catalog. This is a perfect stamp set for all of your basic sentiments. Happy birthday, thinking of you, thank you, congratulations. And it's even got some sentiments that you can put inside the card, which is really great. So we've got our happy birthday stamp, we've got everything stamped. So now we're just going to kind of arrange our butterflies kind of where we want them. One down here, one over here. just going to go ahead and adhere them down flat. Whoops. Make sure you get all of these down nice and sticky, very sticky. Sticky. Get the sticky off my fingers. Okay, just a couple more. Okay, now we are going to emboss. So I'm just going to move all this aside. I've got my embossing machine here. I'm just going to place this inside the ornate floral embossing folder. And I'm going to use my number 4 plate. And I'm going to run it through. And it's going to emboss the butterflies into the paper. See that? Really cool, huh? So now I can add my paper to the old olive layer. And I'm going to add some ribbon. Just gonna add a little bow here. We'll do the 2 bunny ears. And then tie a nice little bow. You can adjust it. Make it a little bit smaller, cuter. happy birthday. And I'll put some dimensionals on the top and on the bottom. And then, whoops, I'll add some dimensionals to the back. There we have our Inset Embossed card, butterfly card. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you join me on another video stamping adventure, and I'll see you next time. Bye.